Hey guys, Devon here,
Hey guys, it's Dylan.
and today we're eating some peppers.
So yeah, and we got milk. If
You know.
it's that spicy. So, without a doubt. Is it spicier in there?
No. No reaction.
It's not even spicy.
Well, it tastes like ass.
It does. I'm gonna drink the milk.
Mine had dirt in it.
Mine does too. You with this drinking stuff. Be eating pepper.
Don't eat that. It tastes terrible, honestly.
It does. So, remember to hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach 600 subscribers. And if share this with friends, family, grandma, your dog. Yes, your dog. You heard me.
And yeah, subscribe to see more videos like this.
Thank you so much for watching.
And peace out.